Hi Cancerians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of April 5th to 11th. This is a general reading and it might or might not resonate with everyone. Let's see what the week has for you. Just a sec. Alright, let's see. Just move it a bit ahead so that you can see the cards. I hope you can see the cards now. Alright. So, Cancerians, I feel Six of Wands, the Fool, the Justice. See, I feel there is somebody coming in with the communication, but very flimsy. Um, Justice is you guys, who you are very, let's say, very sure about certain things, very grounded. But the energy which is coming towards you is very flimsy, very not very sure. Let me clarify the Fool for you. Okay. So this person is flimsy, or this person isn't sure because they feel that they are the only ones putting in hard work. They're the only ones. Remember, in my couple of last readings, I felt that you guys feel that you are the only ones putting in the hard work, or you are the only ones working in this relationship. But I think this is the time now, or for some of you, it could be that this person is more focused on their work, on their money, and they have too many responsibilities in hand. That's why they're coming across as not very serious about you or not very sure of you. This is another, take it as it resonates, as you guys feel is working for you. Let me clarify this with my major arcana cards. The Hermit. Yeah, Hierophant. So this is very. This person is very focused right now, but not on you. I feel this person is the Judgment again, the Justice again. So this person, and see, you are focused. You're grounded. Um, you don't mind if they come or if they don't. You are in a very peaceful state of mind, and this person is a very let's say focused on they feel that intuitively, or they need to work hard at this point of time, or they need to make something of their lives at this point of time rather than go in a relationship, is the energy that I'm getting. Let me see what the universe messages the universe has for you. How do you handle such a person? you know should you let them be? Should you move on or should you wait? Is the question, right? Alright. There's a deeper reason for each of your questions, seek it. So there's a reason why this person is behaving. Could it be like I told you, so some of you, this person feels that they are the they have to work a little bit too hard and you are not putting in work. That you have options is meaningful, rock on. Create space for new love. So, Cancerians, I feel for some of you, this would mean that you have to question this relationship, go within with, is it really what you seek, and also that you have options. You really do have options. Create space for new love, it says. You should, I think, some of you, the answer is that yes, you need to let go of this whole uh, drama that you are facing and make space for new love. Let me see what more messages universe can give you regarding this. Universe, what are the messages that you want to give? There's a stream of love supporting my dreams. So I think you should dream, or let the universe know the kind of person you're looking for. I'll just take one more. Yeah, there's a fear. It says, I witness the darkness and call on the light with my prayer. Thank you, universe, for guiding me to perceive this fear through the eyes of the teacher of love. So I think you're fearing this unknown. You know, you're fearing that if you move on, will it be same? Will it be better? Or will it be worse? This fear is holding you back. I think you mentally, you guys, some of you have really prepared to move on. Let us see how can you handle the situation. Lord, how can these people handle the situation? What should they do? Austerity. So yeah, be very clear, be very assertive, be very, even if they're focusing on work, even if they feel that, I don't know what the misunderstanding was or what is going on, but you need to be very clear on what you want from them, what kind of a person you want in your life to start with. And if they match that description, I think don't let the fear of unknown stop you from taking, creating space for new love. Be very very clear of what you want, and the universe will give it to you. This is the message for the week. I think this is the week that you really need to decide whether you want to continue, whether you want to hold on to this relationship. It's all on you. It all depends on you. So this is all I have for you for this week, and we'll meet next week. Do subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Bye bye.